Thanks for using gas line on this project.
Oh, no worries.
No trouble. There we go. Should we get stuck in?
I'm just going to cut this pipe here, give it a quick ream, install the elbow, and then crimp it up. Clamp about 2 mil from the end, so I get a nice flare on it. Beautiful.
So Liam, our gas line comes in 16 up to 32 mil at this stage. How'd you find it?
Yeah, it was good. It was easy to install. Good thing that all the tools are the same between the Pexline water and the gas line.
Yep.
Makes it easy. You don't have to buy a new set of tools. There's no O-rings, so there's nothing to tear or damage.
Yep, and it's all designed and assembled in New Zealand as well.
Oh, awesome.